Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Basically, auto rotation is when you tilt your phone to landscape or portrait mode, the screen is going to rotate with you. I'm going to show you how you can turn it on or off depending on your preference. So I'm going to open an application so I just can show you. And as you can see now, auto rotation is on because once I rotated the phone, it rotates the screen. And if I rotate it back, as you can see, I am back on portrait. So how I can turn it on and off is that you're going to navigate and you're going to swipe down so you can open your navigation bar. And from there, you can find something called auto rotate. And once I have it locked on portrait, if I tilt the phone, which you can't see, but I'm definitely tilting the phone, it cannot be rotated. But a little icon at the bottom right corner or bottom left corner appears where you can rotate your phone with it. Okay, as you can see, I rotated the phone once I put it on landscape mode and back to portrait mode. And that's how you can turn on and off auto rotation. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.